Hey guys, welcome back to another Epic Brody video, and in today's episode, I will be explaining how to use Scratch to code basic games. So first, we are going to select a sprite. Sprites are items, characters, whatever you need for your game that you can drag around the screen. So in this, I will select button 1. Have our button. Now, what does it do? It does nothing. That's what code does. Very simple. In the events category here, we have a bunch of stuff that will activate code. Just for now, we'll have when green flag clicked, which you can see is right there. When you do that, something below this would happen. So let's say that it would spin in a circle, turn 15 degrees. You can see it turns 15 degrees. So, but it only happens once. How can we make it happen over and over and over again? So, in the control tab, we can select and change when something will happen and how many times something. So forever makes it go on and ever, and it will never stop until we press this stop button. And repeat will make it happen a fixed number of times. So, let's have repeat 50 times. So spins 50 times. Or it goes 15 degrees 50 times. But if we change this to a higher number, it spins much faster. So using that, changing the number on the move, turn, go, any of these will make it more exaggerated. So let's get rid of this. And I'll show you how to make a basic game. Like, let's do a baseball game. So we have this, our batter, and with the, like, not automated, but pre-made backdrops, we can simply just drag and drop items where we want. With this size, you can also change how you want it to, how big, if it's a short kid, or a full-grown adult. Let's have it here. I think that's a good size. And then we can have, you can select another pre-made sprite picture right there. Now we have him, different costumes as well. These are very useful for animation. You can switch between them. It's the same character, same sprite, just different looks. So when we have this, just to make sure it always stays on the same costume, I'll make it so it goes to costume A when the game is started. So we need, well, what do we do in this game? Well, I'm gonna make it so this batter will hit the ball. So well, we don't have a ball, first of all. We gotta add the baseball. It's way too big, so I'm gonna make it around. Perfect. So in costumes of our pitcher, we can make it so it switches through them. About, let's see, how much does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Change that to 4, and let's make it so, next costume, very fast again. We are going to change it to 0.1. A little much, let's make it smaller. 0.5. Perfect. Alright, so let's say that when this is done, you can go into picture. It continues after this. So something I find very useful is the broadcast. You can say, baseball go. So when it says baseball go, we can make it so that when it receives baseball go, it broadcasts it. So if anything has this here, it'll make that happen. So let's say it forever goes, let's forever move 10 steps. Wait, that's not good. It moves that direction. How do we change that? So get out of this, let's drag it over there. Oh wait, sorry. Move that over there. Now what we will do is make it so that instead of move 10 steps, we will actually change Y by 10. So control, ever, change Y by 10. Boom, it moves up now. But it looks kind of goofy. So what we can also do is looks, change size. So it does the same as typing in the number here, but instead with the code. So move back to 50. We can change this to, wait, wrong one. Change size by negative, because positive will make it bigger. So if you put this minus sign like that and then do 10, it will actually get smaller. But what we want to do is at the beginning, we want it to be 100. So put that there, make it so the ball goes where we want it. Now motion, go to this. Oh wait, it's hidden. Sorry. Show. Makes it pop up. It gets smaller as it goes, which I will explain later. First, I'm gonna make this not happen as fast. Happen faster. 75. There's a lot of figuring stuff out in there. Gotta do what works over and over again. I think that's fine. See, it gets smaller, which gives you like a sense of depth. It makes it like when things get further away, it gets smaller to you. So what we'll do is actually nothing is happening except for the ball moving when that happens. So what we will do now is make it so events again, when space key pressed, control repeat. We'll see how many costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 4 times. So it'll repeat whatever I put in there 4 times. Looks, and put next costume. Does that way too fast again. So I will put in a wait 0.1 seconds. Good. But I'll also say this baseball. It will, when it touches the batter, it will do that again. So you have to do it, press it, and hit the ball continuously. And so let's say if, again, the if button there, sensing, it senses things on them. So the if touching batter, because that is batter. If it touches the batter there, then it will do whatever happened. But it won't do anything except for when I directly press or do whatever. So I will put it in forever. Put it in when clicked, and I'll give another broadcast. Broadcast baseball go 2. So that means, so I'll do one broadcast. Sorry, this is my baseball go 2, duplicate there. And then touching ball 2, I'll make it go back to that, change that back to negative 85 there, and set size to 75 as we did. So 75. Now also make it hide so it doesn't do anything. Okay, that is very hard. So I'm gonna actually make it change size so that it's bigger and of course easier to hit. So we have our game that we made, very simple game. There's not much more to this than basic putting blocks together, but some of these games that people have made on Scratch are very complicated. There are many different types of games you can make. And if you want, you can honestly put your games to share with everyone. Now, I wouldn't recommend that unless you are confident that you're good enough, and if you're not sensitive for people to say, oh, this game is bad, you should stop uploading. That is obviously bad, and you should not upload if people do that to you. Or there might be a report option on this website. I think I've went over most of the basic stuff while making this game. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.